Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the song into a DAW or editor and duplicating the master track immediately. Once done, pan one copy fully left and the other fully right so you can compare channel content. You then create a mono mix that isolates center energy. This is where vocals usually live, by subtracting one channel from the other or using a mid-side split. Do this now so you can proceed to center channel processing without wasting time on non-essential setup. Once the center energy is isolated, you apply a mid-side or phase inversion routine to lower mid-information by several decibels. This reduces the vocal while keeping stereo instruments. Then, make surgical EQ cuts. Target the vocal fundamentals and formant bands with narrow notches and automate them where vocal levels change. If artifacts persist, use a spectral editor or a trained AI vocal removal model to paint out residual syllables. Make sure to audition in context and adjust reduction amount to balance vocal removal versus music quality. You finish by repairing artifacts. Apply a transient preserving de-esser, gentle spectral repair, and subtle reverb to mask small gaps so the track sounds natural. Once done, compare the process track to the original at a lower level. Make sure instrument clarity remains and that you haven't over-attenuated bass or drums. If you hear warbling or hollowing, reduce the removal intensity or run a different vocal removal AI model. This single change often fixes stubborn artifacts without redoing the whole chain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.